Micron makes the memory chips inside smartphones, laptops, and the data centers running artificial intelligence. Right now, demand for those AI chips is unlike anything the company has ever seen. And that, paradoxically, is the problem. Each of the last 4 quarters came in higher than the one before it, but one stands apart. In Q2 fiscal 2026, Micron brought in $23.9 billion of revenue in a single quarter, more than the company earned in all of fiscal 2023. In fiscal 2023, Micron lost $5.8 billion for the full year. The same company earned $13.8 billion last quarter alone. The stock tracked those swings for years, and then in 2025, it stopped tracking and just kept climbing. The analysis puts fair value at around $97 a share. The stock trades at $8.64, 9 times over. What the market is pricing in, the Micron's 74% gross margins and record operating profits are here to stay. The model thinks they are not. Net cash is $6.5 billion, and free cash flow last quarter was a company record of $5.5 billion. That balance sheet strength is real. What the bears watch is the other number. Micron plans to spend over $25 billion on new factories this year alone. Cash flow, balance sheet, and business quality score high. Capital allocation and moat are in the middle. Risk and valuation sit at the bottom. The company runs well at the top of its cycle. The model does not assume the top lasts. So I asked the analyst the obvious question, if Micron is earning this much, how can the verdict be too expensive? The answer came back sharp. Micron lost $5.8 billion in fiscal 2023. The same company earned $13.8 billion last quarter. The model values the full cycle, and at $8.64 a share, you are paying for the peak to last forever. The memory cycle has turned before. Fiscal 2023 brought $5.8 billion in annual losses from the same business posting record margins today. Watch DRAM spot prices. When they soften, it usually means the cycle is starting to turn. Through a deep value lens, the verdict is too expensive. Confidence at 77%, with a fair value of $97 and a buy below of $56.46. That's a research judgment under a lens. It is not an instruction to sell. The full analysis is at sursus.io. Stock analysis for modern investors.